We use Google every single day. We use it when we need help, want to be proven right, or sometimes when we're just too lazy to memorize a website URL. Google's a behemoth and its founders are drowning in cash, but did you know you can earn big off it too? What if I told you there's a site that'll pay you to do Google searches? And you can do it from anywhere in the world, just by using your phone, laptop, or tablet. Earn big from your own bed, the beach. Heck, do it while waiting in line or on your commute home from work. You can do it whenever and for however long you want, as long as you have an internet connection. Excited yet? Well, keep watching this video because I'm going to explain how you can start making money fast in a simple to follow, easy step-by-step process. But before we start, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of the latest tips to making money online. Well, let's get started, shall we? We're gonna do this together. Follow along with me so you can start earning ASAP when we finish our tutorial today. So pay close attention, follow the steps with me, and we'll earn some real money together. But as I said, it's a really easy process that just requires you to use two websites. As you may have guessed, the first one is Google. Now I'll let you know the second one in a minute, but first I want to address a question that I've been getting a lot. Why am I sharing these methods? Why don't I keep them for myself if they work so well? Well, I'm lucky enough to already have my own business model that makes me a lot of money. We're talking several $100,000 in just over a year. But I know many people have not been as lucky as me, especially over this past year and a half. So then I realized that the more people we could train to work in this business, the better it will be for all of us. So I started teaching people this model, and I gotta say, I think it was the best decision I ever made. Getting to see broke and desperate people pull themselves up by making hundreds or even thousands of dollars every day has made me really happy, so I just want to keep on sharing it. And this system is truly unique. It isn't affiliate marketing, merge selling, Shopify, legendary marketer, or any of those other models you hear about all the time, and this really works. Okay, now we're ready to jump into the tutorial. So first things first, open up Google in a new browser window. This is the main website we'll be using. But we'll also be using mindsumo.com. But hey, don't just go to that website and try and figure it out yourself, because I have a special trick that I'll show you. It's a simple trick that will allow you to get way more money with MindSumo. You can actually combine both these sites and make even more money just by searching on Google. Now, remember to follow all these steps in order so you'll be able to start making some cash as soon as we're done. So as you can see, MindSumo works with some of the world's leading companies, so we know they're reputable. So let's see, they've worked with Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and way more. These are all massive companies that have been around forever. Now check out how much money there is to be made in one search. Just a simple search can be $800, $800, $20,000, $1,600, $1,600, $1,600, $800, and so on and so on. So you can tell there's a lot of money to be made here. So to get started, sign up for an account on mindsumo.com. Just click here where it says login/sign up. Now, since you don't yet have an account, you'll want to click that option so you can sign up completely free of charge. First, enter your first and surname, followed by your country and email address. Next, you have to create a unique password right here. Make sure it's something you'll remember. Then select your birthday and gender. Now we need to identify our skills for the website in the following areas. You'll need to select creativity, marketing, and technical skills. Now, this is totally optional, but I suggest you choose average or above average proficiency regardless of your actual skill level, because this will give you a much higher chance of making big money. Next, you'll see these three boxes. You don't have to tick them all because that will sign you up to their email list, and since we all hate spam emails, that isn't what we want. So tick these two boxes to accept their terms and conditions and privacy policy, which you can read over by simply clicking on these two links. After you've completed all that, we have to prove we are human, so begin the I'm not a robot challenge, which in this case is to select all the traffic lights. Then just click sign up and boom, you have an account on mindsumo.com. Now that we're all in, let's check out some of the available challenges to earn money. Scroll down a bit to check all the ones available. These are questions and projects that you can get paid for answering and completing. And as you can see, they pay anywhere from a couple $100 all the way up to thousands of dollars. Here on the left, you'll see different categories that you can select, and don't feel like you're in a rush to get all these done. There's plenty of money to be made here, and this website has new questions, projects, and challenges every single day. So right now, let me show you some of the past projects to get an idea of the kind of money you can make here. So check out this challenge. As you can see, the total budget was $1,600, and they had the top 11 answers to the challenge. So those 11 people are splitting this revenue, and the top 5 shared the $1,000, meaning that each of them got $200 just from this one challenge. And this isn't even special or extraordinary. There are challenges and payouts like this every single day on this site. But stick with me because I'm gonna show you how to optimize your earnings by getting paid to search Google. Alright, so let's have an example of the process. Let's come back here and check out some of the categories. So let's try computer science. Just select any of the projects that you like and enter the details so you can see what you need to do to earn this money. So this one is offering $1,600, and we just need to answer this question for a chance to win our share of it. Ready for the Google trick? Alright, you need to copy the question right here, and then go back to the Google search browser and paste the question right here into the query bar. And just like that, Google will help us find the correct answers. So now you can go through all these articles to find the answer to our question. So let's click on this one to see if the answer is here. So again, the question we need to answer is, how can artificial intelligence technology help us write right? And this is amazing because this site is exactly what we're looking for. They have examples of how AI could do this for us, and these are really professional answers, and it will most likely win one of the top shares on here. You saw how easy that was, right? All I did was copy and paste the question into Google search and boom, I got the answer right away. Now we got the answer, the next thing we want to do is change it slightly. So let's open up Google Docs. You can go to their official site, docs.google.com, then choose to open a blank document right here. Go back to the article we found with the answers and then copy and paste some of them back here to the Google Docs, and then go back to copy another one, and so on. So I found that the longer and more profound your answer to their question is, the more likely you're going to get a share of the prize. So now that we have the answers in the document, we can edit it slightly. You can change the font, change the color, maybe even change the wording around a little bit. Like for example, instead of this one, I can select it and change the color to blue, and maybe make it bold, something like that. You can see this makes it very easy because it's totally customizable and just so easy to use. So again, just search the answers on Google, edit the text in Google Docs, and then when you're totally happy with it, click File, go to Download, and then download the document as a PDF. Once it is downloaded, just open it up and check out how professional this looks. And now it's on your computer, just come back here and submit your answer. And because it's so professional, long, and profound, you will most likely get to share in that $1,600 prize for this challenge. So this one is offering $1,600, and we just need to answer this question for a chance to win our share of it. Now keep in mind you won't win the full $1,600. You will share the money with the other participants whose answers were also selected. But as you can see, this whole thing just took a few minutes. Just by searching Google, I was able to find the answer super quick, and now I have a chance to win anywhere from 20, 30, 50, or a couple $100 just for this little bit of effort. Pretty amazing, right? Now this challenge has already been completed, so I can't actually win this one, and would need to find one that is still open in order to actually submit the answers. But it'll be the exact same way I've shown you for this one. Just search for the answer on Google, and once you have your answers ready to submit, just click I have an idea, and log into your account, enter the email and password, and then submit the challenge and start earning big money. And that's it, really. Just by searching on Google, you have a good chance to make real money online. Of course, it isn't a guarantee you'll win every prize, but as you can see, it only takes a few minutes and a little bit of effort. And like I said, you can do it anytime from anywhere. I hope you enjoyed this video and are ready to earn some money right now. If you like my content, please drop a like on this video, and if you want more, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video.